like there are some beginners who are very confused where we should start from audio session or video session. What is your advice?
I first of all, my advice definitely video conversation.
So for my viewers, introduce yourself.
Yes, definitely. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is SMS Shravan. Before you, you know I am from Bangladesh and I have already
Mm-hmm.
completed graduation.
You are doing graduation.
Complete, already complete.
Okay, you had completed your graduation.
Yes, and Department of Accounting Information System, University of Rajshahi, and I love sing and I love travel and recently I love making conversation.
Okay. Like nowadays, students have a dream, like they want to go UK, some other, country for higher study. Do you also this kind of, dream?
No, no, no. I establish in my country. I don't want to go any abroad. I just want to go outside or foreigner country, just my tourist purpose.
Okay, just for traveling purpose. You don't want to go
Yes,
for higher studies.
yes, definitely. So now your turn.
Okay, I'm Tanya. I'm joining you from India, and currently I'm living in Rajasthan. That's all about me.
Yes. Very
So
good one.
share your journey, English journey. How did you start?
It's estimate 3 months,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
1 month I using these apps.
Hmm. Did you face
And
any hurdle when you start this journey? Did
yes,
you face any
definitely.
hurdle? Hmm.
Others mean
Hurdles means any problem when you started this
yes,
journey, English
definitely.
journey.
I face many problems
Tell
because
me
I
what
have
kind of problems?
yes, I have no any confidence and I have no any experience. My first time when I came in front of the camera, okay, and
Hmm.
talking with another person, I lost my all words, and I
You, okay, your mind goes blank that time.
yes,
Hmm?
yes, 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 because
Mm-hmm.
I have no experience. Okay, that's why. But
Mm-hmm.
recently, regularly, I am doing making conversation. That's why my
Mm-hmm.
confidence is grow day by day. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And right now I talking with in front of the camera with in person. But I know I am
Mm-hmm.
not a advanced level speaker. I am intermediate speaker, and I uh, have made many mistakes. But I always try my
Mm-hmm.
best.
So in a one day, how many video conversations you are taking?
Okay, it's not much. It's only two or three. And
Mm.
today it's our first conversation. It's my first conversation.
Okay, for your first video conversation. Do you
Yes, today.
find any difference video conversation or audio conversation?
Most of the time when I join this video conversation.
I was talking your video conversation, which is better than like video conversation is good or audio conversation.
Yes, definitely video conversation obviously better because
Hmm.
it's a direct face-to-face conversation. Okay,
Hmm.
and I think audio conversation is very easy and
Easy.
not
Hmm.
proven to myself.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
but first time I make any audio conversation in my country people. Okay, and
Hmm.
then when I came in front of the camera, I face many problems and many
Hmm.
times I cannot understand with their pronunciation and I cannot understand
Hmm.
their language or many vocabulary. Okay,
Hmm.
and I
Hmm.
face many problem and then day by day increase my confidence and now I uh, understand my partner uh, talking uh,
Hmm.
90 plus. Okay.
Like you are talking, and I can easily understand that in your accent there is a small touch of
Yes,
Bengali
definitely.
accent.
Bengali is my
Yes,
mother tongue.
yes. So I can easily, easily rectify that you belong from Bangladesh or Kolkata. or West Bengal.
Yes, 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 definitely.
Yes. So, like, there are some beginners who are very confused where we should start from audio session or video session. What is your advice?
Uh, I first of all, my advice definitely video conversation. Okay.
Video conversation. They should start from
Yes,
video conversation.
yes, because a video conversation makes our mind confident. Okay,
Hmm.
and it's and our experience is day by day increasing better.
Hmm. They can
That's
boost
why.
their confidence.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why obviously I make video conversation. But I know that I have lots of many mistakes. But right now I am focused. I want to get fluency. Okay. Uh, any
Hmm.
mistake, I think it doesn't matter. First of all, I want to need get fluency, and then step by step I correction my mistake.
Okay, according to you, why Skype is beneficial for the learners? There are so many other applications also available.
Yes, definitely, it's very essential for every learners because
Hmm.
uh, on the others any apps you cannot record this session easily, and Skype apps provide any video conversation easily, and net and clean video conversation. Okay, provide the
Hmm.
Skype apps. That's why it's
Quality is
very.
really good.
Yes,
Video
yes, yes,
quality is good. Hmm.
yes. That's why it's
Hmm.
very essential for any speaking learners and beginners.
And
That's
it is totally free of cost.
yes, 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 yes. Obviously.
Did you find that on this application, on the Skype application, most of the learners are very serious for learning this language? Did you
Yes,
also find this thing? Mm-hmm.
you want to know others apps,
No, no,
any
like
others
there are
app?
so many other applications. Sometimes we are, observing they are just doing time pass. But when we talk
Yes,
about like Skype app, I observe like most of the persons are very serious.
yes. I think most of the people very serious because these
Hmm.
apps, most lots of people using these apps because of they are improving skill English. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
when we are recording this session, and after that I or you and everybody is watching this session, and that time I feel uh, watching this my session. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we are first making conversation. I play a role of paying guest.
Uh,
Most of the people
hmm.
encourages me and inspire me, and also appreciated you. Okay, and these
Okay.
types of people told me uh, they are really amazing. Okay, all on a
Hmm.
sudden
Hmm.
she provide you any and
Role play. It was a role
yes,
play.
yes, yes, paying
Hmm.
guest. Okay, all on a sudden she provide you paying guest, and you
Hmm.
are doing play role. It's
Yes, yes,
it's so
yes.
difficult.
So like, yeah, it was very difficult, but that kind of conversation are really helpful for all the learners. Like if you are dealing with a landlord, that time
Yes,
this
yes,
kind of conversation is
obviously.
really helpful. Hmm. So you have used so many applications. Tell me some applications name where you are doing practice.
First of all, Messenger. You know Messenger.
Messenger, yes.
It's
Facebook
very popular
Messenger.
in our country. Facebook Messenger. Do you have
Oh,
Facebook?
yes, I have. Okay. And
Okay, then
second application, hmm?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp
Okay.
apps.
You are also a part of WhatsApp group.
I have no group, but most of the people using this app, and I have also these apps, and
Hmm?
my known people know the
Hmm.
WhatsApp, and they are talking with me in any learning purpose, English learning purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
So Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and third,
Third, if is done. If is done.
can you tell me the spelling?
If is done. EPIOSDON.
Hmm?
If is done.
Because I am hearing this application first time, so I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Firstly, estimate 10 or 15 days I just using these apps. And it's limited
Okay.
time. You no more talk in 7 minutes. It's limited in
Okay.
7 minutes.
On this application, can we talk with native person, native people?
Yes, yes, yes. Native
Okay.
people, but these apps do not any recording person.
Okay. You can't recording. Okay.
Yes, and
Yes.
when I using these apps, I feel that everybody no one serious these apps. Okay, many people using
Mm-hmm.
these apps just for fun.
Okay. They are using this application just for their fun.
Yes, but and also most of the people using these apps because of learning purpose.
But yes, yes, there is one thing. It is common. All that application.
Yes,
I
yes.
think 70% are not serious learner. 30% are serious learner.
I would like to know about discipline. Could you explain something about discipline?
Yeah, discipline is it's play a very important role in human life. If we are not disciplined, we can't achieve our goal. And after some time, we feel regret. Why I have not done this work on time. So if you are want a success in your life, so you should be disciplined. And
Yes,
in
yes.
mostly cases, you find these disciplines from your parents. Like if your parents are disciplined, definitely the child will be a disciplined person.
Yes, hope for the best.
Hmm.
Hope.
So I think it was a lovely session with you again. I hope you also enjoyed.
So yes,
Now I'm
definitely.
going to wind up this session. Okay, we will meet again with a new topic.
Yes.